Hi everyone. Run command on Windows is important for power users to speed up daily tasks. In this video, I'll show you the important commands in case you missed any. To open the Run dialog, press Windows R. Then type the command there. Number 1. File Explorer. Command Explorer. You have used this every day. It is used to manage your files. Number 2. Control Panel. Command Control. Use this to uninstall programs and change system settings. Number 3. Device Manager. Command devmgmt.msc. Use this when hardware isn't working or you need to update drivers. Number 4. Command Prompt. Command cmd. Use this to run system commands, troubleshoot network issues, fix errors, and many more. Number 5. PowerShell. Command PowerShell. A more advanced version of command prompt, used for automation and deeper system control. Number 6. System Configuration. Command msconfig. Use it to manage startup, fix boot issues, and more. Number 7. Disk Cleanup. Command cleanmgr. Use this to remove junk files and free up storage. Number 8. System Information. Command msinfo32. It shows full system specs and hardware details. Number 9. Notepad. Command Notepad. Quickly opens a simple text editor. Number 10. Calculator. Command calc. Number 11. Registry Editor. Command regedit. Use this to modify deep system settings. Be careful, this can affect your whole system. Lastly, the Task Manager. Command taskmgr. But probably you better use Ctrl-Shift-Escape, which is a quicker shortcut for it. Use it to close frozen apps, check performance, and disable startup apps. If your laptop is slow, start here. These are the most important run commands ranked from essential to advanced. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite command.